Learn how to create your own passport photograph, which you can use to apply for anything without you going to studio. So you're going to create that in soft copy. Let's just get right into it. Tap on your Chrome browser. As the browser opens, tap inside the search area, okay? Then type the information Cutout Pro passport. You can see it, Cutout Pro passport. Then tap on enter key. This will show you some search results, but our interest is this first one that points at cutout.pro. Alright, tap on that. Once the page finishes loading, tap on upload image. Tap on upload image again. Select where you want to pick the photo from. I want to pick from my photo library, so I'll select that. This will open the Photos app of my iPhone, displaying some photos. Alright, so I will tap on the one I want to use for passport, then tap on the tick sign at the top right. Wait for it to process that. Okay, you can see the site starts choosing. If you don't like that, you can choose a different size of your choice. Okay, but I like this default selection. Then for you to assign a different background, tap on the fill icon. Maybe you want to use red or black or green. Just tap on any one. You can see red background has been applied because that's what I want to use. Then tap on done. You can see the results section is selected. That's why it's in red color. Okay, as HD is selected, then tap on that drop down there. Then tap on download. Alright, here PNG format is used. If you want a different format, maybe JPG, tap on JPG before you tap on download. Then here it says I should enter my email address. I will tap on continue with Google, follow the on-screen guide from your end, and after that you'll be allowed to download it, okay? Alright, I've completed that process, so I will tap on the drop down in the download HD section again and tap on download. So because I have now created an account with them, I'll be allowed to download it, okay? I'll tap on the save button. Then where do I want to save it? Is it inside the Files app or OneDrive? I want it to be saved inside the Files app, so I will tap on save. So this is saved inside my Files app, so I'll get to home and then get to the Files app of my iPhone. I'll tap on it, tap on that Chrome folder, and look at it here. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.